Hey, hi everyone. Hope you all are doing good and welcome back to Quality Management series. So today's topic is again important and requesting one. That is license, permits and other statutory requirements which are required to open the hospital and to operate the hospital functions. And in this video, these are grouped into various categories just to understand that what is required during the hospital operations and what is required during the project phase. I have given each and every details. So do not skip the video, watch the video till end. Now let's begin with our topic. Sorry to interrupt you in between, guys. Actually, Dr. Parul has asked me a question regarding the reference material. And this question is from Quality Document Part 2 video. So Dr. Parul, I already mentioned in that video that reference material is a kind of supporting documents. Okay? Say for example, if you're performing a ground staining in your lab and you forget one of the major step or part, then obviously you refer the standard operating procedures, right? That standard operating procedures will act as a reference material for you. And do not confuse the term reference material with control or standard. Actually, that control is used to check the quality in the lab. I hope you got my point now. Now continue to the second half. guys for watching this video. And besides the license described just now, there are other important laws which are relevant to the hospitals. And if I forget any important legal document, then please do comments in the comment section. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.